Hello everyone and welcome to my evaluation for the campaign titled hashtag Skip the Vape, Combating the Rise of Youth Vaping in Metro Manila. Using our 10-point evaluation framework, I'll assess the campaign's design, communication strategy, and their implementation, highlighting its strength and giving it an overall grade. So let's begin. First, we have clarity and relevance of the issue. The campaign demonstrates excellent clarity in defining the issue. It defines youth vaping as a pressing health threat, citing data from global and local resources. By aligning the Sustainable Development Goal number 3, the campaign apparently also situates the issue in a broader global health context. So for me, this section is a 10 out of 10. Hashtag Skip the Vape applies communication for development principles impressively, so it uses participatory tools, interactive formats, and culturally relevant visuals to engage our youth, like using like hashtag facts not filters and hashtag breathe free challenge aren't just trendy, they're tool for mobilization. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Next, we have audience segmentation and their analysis. So apparently, the hashtag Skip the Vape campaign audience segmentation is very well thought. Gen Z most of the time, with subdivided by behavior, and the campaign also considered influential groups like parents and teachers. So the survey helped uncover vaping motivations and platform preferences like TikTok and Messenger. So score here is 10 out of 10. Next, we have the 4Ps or the social marketing mix. So the element of their 4Ps are well executed. So the product here is a healthier vape-free lifestyle. Their price is mitigated through support groups. The place that they used was to prioritize digital platforms like Instagram and Telegram. And for promotion, this includes catchy challenges and influencer partnerships, another 10 out of 10. Next, we have the social mobilization as a strong aspect of the campaign. So by including teachers, SK councils, and the local schools, the campaign was very inclusive. However, we need to maybe put in more detail on the grassroots of the community group involvement that could improve further. But for me, this is 9 out of 10. Next, we have the implementation and management. So this campaign shows well-structured planning. Roles are very clear, and a year-round implementation schedule helps track the progress. With a bit more detail maybe on adapting for unforeseen events or issues, this would be apparently be perfect. So for me, this deserves a 9 out of 10. Next, we have the monitoring and evaluation, which is very well integrated into their campaign. They use both quantitative and qualitative tools. Social media analytics and pledge trackers are very in-depth. So for continuous learning, this earns a strong 9 out of 10. And for the ethical awareness, promoting safe, inclusive spaces for youth, teachers and parents were trained to guide youth ethically. However, more specifics on digital privacy could have been more implemented on the paper. So for minors could strengthen this for them. So it would be a solid 9 out of 10 for me. Next would be the integrated synthesis. So all the framework elements come together cohesively, inspired by Paulo Freire. So the campaign uses two-way dialogue to create real community-based solutions. Everything here, research, from the research to messaging up until the end of the paper is all well integrated. So that's a strong 9 out of 10 for me. So here is the final evaluation framework table for the hashtag Skip the Vape campaign. Each criterion is rated based on how well the campaign executed specific strategies, and you'll see here my evaluation category, the numeric score for each, and even the brief remarks coming from me. As you can see, the campaign earns a full mark of relevance, communication, audience analysis, and has a long-term scalability. It's slightly trails on ethical details, social mobilization depth, and even monitoring tech use. But like in overall, it's a highly strategic and well-rounded campaign. So congratulations, guys. The final total score for me would be the 95 out of 100. It reflects both youth-led, data-informed, and action-oriented approach to social mobilization, which again only has like few enhancements. So this could become like a national model for public health advocacy among our youth, young people. So there, thank you so much for hashtag Skip the Vape campaign.